Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how to service these Mercedes-Benz cars like C-Class, E-Class and S-Class bonnet locks, and years are 2000 to 2022. And now I have also removed this my mask grill, and you can see that only purpose is that I like to show those bonnet parts and those locks positions what we need to grease. Okay, and first step is to open this my bonnet, and in that way that we can see those lock positions. And there is this inner area, and we have to go in that area, and there is one red this switch, and it is in here, and I have to move this switch in here in that way, and then bonnet opens. That one. It is a little bit hidden in that area, and there are gas pedal and brake pedal, and this is like hand brake, but just in here a little bit like hidden is this red, and normally this makes click sound. Click and bonnet opens, and then we go to bonnet area. There is really 3 locks, and firstly what we need to use in this lubrication. First one is that if we have some spray like Vaseline Pro, this is excellent lubricant, and also this Silicone Pro spray is excellent, and any kind of oil what we can use is good. And then we need of course clean cotton cotton, and then let's go to look these lubrication areas. That area we have first lock what we need to lubricate, and let's go to look that closer. Is the main lock what opens inside this bonnet switch, and for that area it is good that we give firstly in there silicone oil. This is like oil in that way, and then we look this movement that it moves nicely, and then I give also this little bit this spray Vaseline. This is like little bit more heavy dutier, and then always it's good to move that. And final step is to remove all of this extra oil in this outer area in this way, because I like to be professional serviceman. And then this is first lock, and then we go to second lock. Second lock is this in left area, and there is same thing, that firstly I give Silicone Pro oil. This is like thinner, and then important to move this is and all areas in here, and be carefully that you don't hurt your finger. And this is even rusty. Now there is no movement, and this is bad sign. If this is not moving, here we can see that there is corrosion because this is not moving well, and this is bad sign. And now I have to add this my spray in all positions in there, all sides, and move this in same time, because this is, and if this locks I have to go open the switch in inside bonnet, this inside switch, and now I lock that in this way, and now I have to go inside to open this by switch. When this is locked, now I have to walk in car inside cabin area, and there is this red switch, and I open bonnet, door, and then bonnet. Okay. And now the switch is okay, and I will give in there small spray oil, and then final part is that I give Vaseline, and final part is this spray Vaseline spray for this thicker and more durable, and then this is little bit, this is in bad, it is even rusty, this my lock, because this must move suitable, but this moves just, but this and if this is too bad, I need to purchase new lock. This is only thing. And then I take in final part, I remove all spray and Vaseline in outer areas. Good, now this is lubricated, and then I have final lock to lubricate. Okay, and then we have final part, it is in star is in there, and there is this final lock I have to lubricate, and please go to lubricate this one. And now bonnet is in up position, and this is really important part, and I give also silicone spray in this joint, in there, and also in that area. There is spring in their inner area, and of course final part is to give in there this thicker Vaseline. Good, and then final part is to I have to clean this fixed area and this outer part, that there is no this oil, because we install our hand in here, and this must to be clean. And now this part is very lubricant and very well movable. And now this my job is ready, and we can continue our service. And this job is really too good in annually or every 6 months, and then our bonnet works well.